You can feel it: the bloating, the brain fog, the fatigue after meals. Something's off, and deep down, you know it starts in your gut. What if I told you you can begin resetting your gut in just 72 hours using natural methods backed by science and used by top wellness experts around the world? This isn't a cleanse. It's not a fad. It's your body's own healing system finally getting the support it needs. Let's walk through what happens when you give your gut 3 focused days of attention. And more importantly, how to do it right. Day 1. Eliminate the offenders. Before you can reset anything, you have to stop what's disrupting your gut in the first place. For 72 hours, completely eliminate processed sugars, gluten, yes, even if you're not gluten intolerant, dairy, especially milk and cheese, refined seed oils, like canola, soybean, or corn oil, alcohol, artificial sweeteners. Why? Because these are the top triggers for gut inflammation, bloating, and microbiome imbalance. Even a few days without them gives your digestive system space to breathe. And once inflammation starts to drop, your gut can start to repair. But elimination alone isn't enough, so here's what you add in right away. Hydration, but with a twist. Plain water is good. But water with electrolytes, lemon, or a pinch of Himalayan salt is better. Why? Because your gut lining needs minerals to rebuild. Hydration flushes toxins, softens stool, and fuels every cell involved in digestion. Aim for 2.5 to 3 liters a day during this reset. And sip throughout the day, don't chug. Gut healing foods to start with. Start loading your body with foods that soothe and support the gut lining. Bone broth, rich in collagen and amino acids. Steamed veggies like carrots, zucchini, and spinach. Wild-caught fish or pasture-raised poultry. Cooked apples, for pectin, which feeds good bacteria. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir, in moderation. You're not just eating, you're feeding the bacteria that keep you healthy. Because when your gut flora thrives, and hey, if you're already feeling this shift, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss what happens on day 2. Because this is when the real transformation begins. Day 2. Repair and rebalance. By day 2, your body starts redirecting energy from digestion to repair. And that means your gut lining, which renews every few days, begins to rebuild itself. 1. Add natural prebiotics. Garlic, leeks, onions, asparagus, green bananas. These help grow bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, the good guys. Avoid prebiotic powders for now, stick to the real thing. 2. Slow down your eating. Chew thoroughly. Eat without distraction. Because digestion begins in your mouth. And rushed eating puts stress on your gut. You're resetting your body, not racing through meals. 3. Walk after you eat. Gentle post-meal walks, just 10-15 minutes, help stimulate digestion and reduce blood sugar spikes. It's a small shift, but with powerful gut benefits. And if you're loving how simple and natural this reset feels, remember to subscribe so you can return to this anytime your gut needs a boost. Day 3. Reinforce the good bacteria. Now that inflammation is down and healing has begun, it's time to reinforce your gut for the long haul. This is where probiotics, either from supplements or whole foods, can do their magic. Best natural probiotic sources: plain, unsweetened yogurt, if you reintroduce dairy; fermented cabbage, sauerkraut or kimchi; miso; tempeh; coconut kefir. These deliver living bacteria to your gut, but only if your gut is ready to receive them. Which it now is. Other habits to continue today: keep your meals simple, warm, and nourishing. Try a short fast between dinner and breakfast, 12-14 hours, to support gut rest. Continue hydration with minerals or lemon water. And finally, take a moment to listen to your body. How does it feel after just 3 days? Less bloating? Clearer skin? More energy? Improved mood? That's your gut talking. And it's thanking you. What happens next after 72 hours? Your gut isn't just better, your microbiome is rebalancing. And your body has started to heal itself, naturally. And the best part, you didn't need pills, powders, or painful detoxes. Just food. If this helped you feel more in control of your health, make sure to subscribe because we're only scratching the surface. Your gut is your second brain. And when it's in balance, your entire life improves. You just proved that in 72 hours. Now imagine what's possible in 7 days, or 30. This isn't the end, it's your reset point.